Hello, friends. It's Phil, and I'm sitting in the office dry, finally. And and the funny thing about it is, um, the weather outside is sunny. But look, um, this morning, between the hours of 9 and 1 ish, maybe even a bit past 1, maybe 2, it tanked it down. You know that kind of rain that makes you really wet? It's a special type of rain. I guess, like, thinking about it, the reason why this particular type of rain makes you really wet is because it's the kind of rain that you can stand in for a while, not feeling too wet. And I think the context of this is actually wetness has a relationship to coldness. And seeing as it's the 11th of May 2023, and the day temperatures are coming up, and the ambient temperatures are coming up, and the ground temperatures are coming up, it's probably right to assume that it's kind of warmish. Warmish. It's around about 16 degrees, I'd say, at the moment in North Yorkshire, where I am, which is not particularly warm for May. I think we're about a month behind last year in terms of temperatures. But look, the rain you get on a warmish day is the kind of rain that makes you feel what makes you really wet. And it makes you really wet because you stay in it longer than the same kind of rain in cold weather, let's say. And actually, and in the height of summer, when you have a thunderstorm and it absolutely tanks it down, and you stand in the rain with your hands up to the sky in acceptance that it's here. That's the kind of rain that makes you really happy. So, here's the thing. I was working on a lawn this morning for half the day. Um, sort of sort of intermediate renovation, I'd call it that. Scarification, moss killer, feed, weed control, and a bit of patching here and there. And it had to be done between the showers, let's say. So by the end of the 4 hour job, I was really wet. But, my friends, I wasn't really cold. So, it was the rain that makes you really wet, but not the rain that makes you really cold, right? Now, once I'd done all this, the client, kindly enough, made me a cup of tea. And then we had a chat. And he said, "Oh, this weather is character building." And I said, it's just weather. It's just weather for someone who lives and works outdoors. He actually runs an indoor, a high-end technical cleaning company. So obviously he sees the inside world. But I did say to him, "Dear friend," I said, on average in the UK, let's say, on average, I say that when the average was my London experience, whereas Yorkshire's different, North Yorkshire's different. But on average, I used to say it rains about 109 days a year over the last 19 years. Thinking Northwest, North Yorkshire, I think that's different. It probably doesn't rain on 109 days. But anyway, the rain stopped. The temperatures rose. The sun is out, kind of, between the grey clouds. the ground is dry and the grass is growing. And the good thing about those showers that you get, those showers in spring that make you really wet, also a great indicator that those showers are really good for growing grass. Oh, yes, my friends. We're through the spring bounce. We're into the growing season. Tra la 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 la. Anyway, enough from me. I'm off to go and do an assessment, I think. See what the world looks like now the rain's stopped. Anyway, look, hopefully you're all cool and groovy and you're sitting indoors nice and warm and dry, like I am now. Anyway, I will catch you again soon. Take care. Ta-da. Bye. See ya.